Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a group on WhatsApp mobile without adding any contacts in 2025. So let us guide you through this. Launch the WhatsApp application and here in your home screen tap into these three dots, and after that start a new group by tapping into a new group here. After that WhatsApp will ask you to add one of your contacts to that list, otherwise you won't be able to proceed by tapping into that arrow down icon next here in the bottom right corner. So this is how you can fix this, guys. If you don't want to add any of your contacts to your list, simply tap into that search name or number bar at the top. After that, tap into this numbers pad here to the right and simply enter your own number of your own WhatsApp account. You can do that easily, so let me do it really quickly. And after that, you will see your own user account suggested below. So tap into that checkmark button to the right to add yourself to your group. Tap into that green arrow to the right icon, and that is going to allow you to create your group without adding any of your contacts. So let me give that group a name really quickly. Let us skip all of that setup here and proceed with the group creation by tapping into the checkmark button. Wait for a brief moment, and after that your group will be created. And if you tap into your group name at the very top, and after that also select, for example, let me find it really quickly. Here at the top you will see your member number, which is only one member, and that is only you. So you created that group without adding any of your contacts. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.